Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, did an evening webcast last night. I suggest everybody check that out. The basic theme there was just saying, look, we talked about these little, blips here, how they create higher highs, new all-time highs, and then they grind to the upside, grind to the upside, grind to the upside. We need to start getting our heads wrapped around another grind to the upside. And that will be on lower volatility as we head into and through the last 2 weeks of August, which makes a whole hell of a lot of sense. It makes sense seasonally. It makes sense based upon what we've seen on the chart. Now, I'm not saying this is absolutely what's going to happen, but what I am going to say is you need to start expecting the expected and not getting upset when the tape doesn't, fly around and do this, that, or the other. Now, look, only takes one piece of news to change that. That's for sure. But you're much better off understanding that this is going to be a tape, most likely, the rest of this week into next week, where you're going to have to be opportunistic, grab what you can, and move on. So yesterday was two trades. It was one trade that we took in Globex from 37, and then we bought the open at 57 yesterday, and we held it, took a 20 handle runner into the end of the day, and that was it. It wasn't long, short, trying to find shorts that just aren't there. So we were long last night. We got a little bit, got stopped out overnight. We're flat now. You've got volume weighted average price sitting at 83.5. The hourly mid band, let's go with the hourly chart. Here's your hourly chart. So, you see it here. They lift it, flat, lift, flat, little pop, back in. And those are some very narrow hourly bands. Hourly mid-band is 82.85. Proprietary moving average is 81.75. So, it's been down to 77. It's currently back up to 82 as I'm doing this. It's about 5 after 9 Eastern time. So, this whole 80 to 84 area is going to have to make up its mind. And maybe it makes up its mind right away, or maybe it makes up its mind tomorrow. You don't know. Just understand that a lower volatility regular session environment is what we've seen the last 3 times there's been these little dips and pops. We've got our all-time high. 4,500 is there for the taking. My concern is if we get up to 4,500, then it's just something else to fight back and forth over. So we have to watch that tape. That's really all I've got. Just understand lower volatility environment. Understand that if the bears are going to have a push, the conversation for the bears really doesn't get started anywhere. They are noise above 68. They are arguably noise above 46. Until they can get back below this 9-day, they're just little dips to be bought. You've got the weekly pivot now below the 20-day. So, price is really pulled away here. Does that mean it needs a big retrace? Yeah, but that's only been happening, once in a while. But it only takes one piece of news. Just be opportunistic, take your profits where you find them, and whatever you do, don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come join us over on Facebook. Join us on Reddit. Come join us in the room. We'll trade this stuff together. I'll be back with a midday update. Trade them well.